Okay, yeah, I'm at White Castle's and I just ordered that 1921 burger. I'm gonna see what it tastes like, y'all. I'm just saying. I don't normally eat White Castle's just because I grew up on White Castle's and it's nothing special to me. But I'm gonna try this new 1921 burger because your girl, I wasn't around in 1921. I'm just saying. So I want to see what the original burgers taste like. I'm just saying, I just want to see, y'all. Hopefully y'all all know White Castle burgers is nothing to play with. I'm just saying, the way I buy or the way I order White Castle burger is no onions. And to be on the safe side, when you get your burger, take that bottom bun off. I'm just saying, that bottom bun ain't right. That bottom bun is what messes your stomach up. If you take the bottom bun off and just make it into like a double, your stomach will thank you for it. I'm just saying, y'all, take my advice. But the way my daughter eat it, oh, and I eat mine with extra pickles. I don't know why, I just love my extra pickles. But my daughter, my youngest daughter, she like no top buns, which is so weird to me. So weird. But that's just the way she eat them. This is the way I eat them. No bottom bun. I mean, one time I did order it like that. They didn't know what the heck I was talking about. So I just order them regular, no onions, extra pickles. And when I get my order, I remove that bottom bun because that bottom bun will tear your stomach up. Take my advice. I'm just saying. But I know a lot of people love White Castle onions. I'm not a fan of them. I do like onions, but I'm not a fan of White Castle onions. So we're gonna try these new burgers and see what they taste like. It looks like they come in like 3 different styles. I think you get it like barbecue. I think you could get some kind of other cheese. Yeah, White Castle most definitely stepping their game up. It's not the old school White Castles back in the day where you could only get either a regular burger or a cheeseburger. Now they have a little bit of everything. So I'm still in line. It always takes a little bit to get this stuff, but it's just like one more car in front of me and then I will be at the window. And we gonna see, y'all. We gonna see what this 1921 do. Sound like liquor to me. Sound like some whiskey to me. 1921 whiskey. Where that's at? Where the whiskey? I'm gonna ask them, where the whiskey at? We need some 1921 whiskey. That's what we need. I'm just saying, y'all. I'm just saying. So, we're gonna give these burgers a try when I get up here. And see. It's a little bit extra. It look like it has like lettuce and maybe tomatoes and caramelized onions on it. But like I said, those onions ain't no joke. So here we go. We finna be up here. Thank you. Okay, y'all, I got the goods. Okay, y'all, I got the burgers. Here's the burgers. Of course, I got a Sprite with it because I love Sprite. I really like 7-Up better, but most places don't have 7-Up, so gotta go with a Sprite. It also came with an order of fries, which is always so little. I do like their fries. For some reason, I love these little Kringle fries. And it came with 2 burgers. Came with the old style box and it has the 1921, and then that's on the other side. I got the combo. It don't have any, yeah, I do have cheese on it. So yes, that's what the burger kind of looked like, y'all. let's get into it. I'm not gonna do ketchup because I really don't eat ketchup. As you, sorry, the lettuce fell out. Okay, there we go. Has a little small tomato on it that you can see from the back. It has lettuce on it, cheese. Let's see if this tastes any different from the other burgers. It's a little bit thicker, as you can see. The burger is most definitely a little bit thicker, and y'all do know they don't really come with like lettuce and tomatoes, but it do have the caramelized onions on it. So yeah, let's give it a try. I'm not gonna do ketchup because again, I don't like ketchup. I don't really eat ketchup, I should say. I just taste the caramelized onions. Not bad. Here we go. This is actually good. I like this. This is actually really good. I think I like this better than the other burgers. It most definitely tastes like real ground beef. I'm not saying that ain't what they're using, but the flavor is different. It tastes like a burger from home. You know, it has a little bit of seasoning, not too much seasoning. It kind of sort of tastes like it might have been cooked with a little bit of butter, maybe. I don't know. I like this. This is good. It's a little bit messy though. Sorry about the radio. It's a little bit messy, so you're most definitely gonna have to straighten up the burger a little bit. But it's good. It could use a little bit more seasoning, but I know a lot of these restaurants don't really put a lot of seasoning on their patties because, you know, just different people can't, you know, eat salt or, you know, whatever the case may be. But I like this burger. I wonder if this is gonna be on the menu all the time. And then, like I said, I got the combo. It comes with 2 burgers. Let me make sure none of my mouth, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, y'all. If y'all, I'm doing the taste test. I'm just testing them. So yes, this is good. The price was $8. I feel like that's a little bit expensive for these small patties. But again, it comes with a fry and a soda. So I guess it's pretty decent. I think if it would have came with 1 more patty, it might make it a little bit worth the price. I can see myself ordering this again. So that's gonna be my take on the 1921 burger from White Castle. See, we at White Castle. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know, have you tried these 1921 sliders? Leave that down in the comments. Thumbs up the video and hit the notification. Follow my hashtag, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.